is there a nugget? Is there something looking back to your almost 30 years now in the industry that has stood out maybe on how you have been able to bring value and maybe received, some kind of clientele through, high net worth individuals that have, bigger homes or are looking to purchase? Anything from that outbound that sticks out?
Yeah, there's two things. One is expired or luxury listings expire also, so we're not shy about calling those. The other thing is that we've, with the attorneys that we contact for, whether it's family law attorneys who are handling divorces, bankruptcy attorneys, probate attorneys, we have a small network of wealth managers and money managers that we prospect to, and these are all people that come in contact or that have clients that have luxury properties. Even some of I mentioned earlier, some of the retirement communities and assisted living places, there are several high-end ones that the people moving in there have luxury properties that they are or will need to be selling. So those are all areas that even in the luxury market we've been able to be proactive with.